Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best all-mountain skis for women that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Fischer RC Fire skis. These unisex all-mountain skis are designed with beginner to intermediate skiers in mind, making them an ideal choice for those looking to build confidence on the slopes. The FiberTech technology, which incorporates a special glass fiber network, ensures smooth turns and an overall responsive feel. The air power core is lightweight, reducing fatigue and making handling much easier for those long days on the mountain. Plus, the on-piste rocker shortens the contact length, allowing for effortless turn initiation. In terms of design, the RC Fire features a durable extruded base that's tough but doesn't offer the same performance as sintered bases when it comes to waxing. The skis are finished in a sleek gray and red color scheme, which is both modern and eye-catching. While this model is budget-friendly, it does trade off some advanced features found in higher-end skis, making it better suited for skiers who are just starting out or upgrading from rentals. Here's the bottom line. The Fischer RC Fire skis are a solid entry-level option with great maneuverability and lightweight handling. However, if you're looking for top-tier performance or plan to ski aggressively, you might want to consider a higher-end model. Pros include affordability, ease of use, and lightweight construction. Cons include limited waxing properties and basic durability features. At number 4, we have the Dynastar Women's E-Cross 78 skis. Dynastar has packed these skis with a variety of features to elevate your skiing experience. With full sidewall construction and a hybrid core that incorporates bi-directional poplar wood, these skis deliver a dynamic yet stable performance. The adaptable side cut transitions seamlessly between underfoot side cut and tip-tail geometry, making them versatile enough for hard snow as well as powder. H-Tech reinforcements further enhance the playful feel of the ski, adding smoothness and responsiveness to every turn. The E-Cross 78 skis are finished with a durable core-round top sheet for long-lasting performance. The included Express W10 grip walk bindings are ultra-light and compatible with both Alpine ISO and grip walk boot soles, giving you flexibility in your setup. While the skis are slightly heavier than some competitors in this category, their robust construction ensures reliability in a variety of terrains. The eye-catching blue design makes them stylish, while their intermediate skill level rating ensures a smooth progression for skiers looking to up their game. Overall, these skis offer a great balance between versatility and durability. They're perfect for intermediate skiers who want to explore both groomed trails and off-piste conditions. Pros include their smooth handling, durable build, and adaptable side-cut geometry. Cons are their slightly heavier weight and higher price point compared to entry-level skis. Coming in at number 3 is the Nordica Women's Wild Belle 74 skis in the 144 centimeter size. These skis are ideal for beginner to intermediate skiers looking for a smooth and stable ride. Nordica's natural stance technology lowers the heel of the binding by 2 millimeters, promoting a more centered position that enhances balance and control. The narrower waist and rocker camber blend make these skis incredibly maneuverable. Whether you're carving precise turns or gliding down relaxed runs, the full wood core adds to the stability, reducing vibrations and giving a steady feel even on uneven terrain. Design-wise, the Wild Belle 74 skis feature a minimalist gray and white color scheme that looks clean and elegant. The shorter binding plate improves flexibility, making turn initiation effortless. These skis come with TP2 Compact 10 FDT bindings included in the package, ensuring convenience and seamless setup. While the shorter length makes these skis easier to control, advanced skiers may find them less suitable for aggressive carving or high-speed runs. Additionally, the price is not listed, making it harder to evaluate their overall value. In summary, these skis are perfect for women who are progressing in their skiing journey and want a reliable, easy-to-use option. Pros include excellent maneuverability, a stable ride, and a beginner-friendly design. Cons are limited suitability for advanced skiers and the lack of price transparency. At number 2 is the Nordica Women's Wild Belle 74 skis in the larger 156 centimeter size. Featuring the same high-quality design as the 144 centimeter version, these skis offer more stability and versatility for skiers who prefer a slightly longer ski. The natural stance technology remains a standout feature, lowering the heel by 2 millimeters to optimize balance and control. The full wood core ensures a smooth ride, while the rocker-camber blend enhances maneuverability, making these skis versatile across varying conditions. If you're looking for an easy-to-use ski that adapts well to both relaxed cruising and more technical turns, the 156 centimeter option is worth considering. The design is identical to its smaller counterpart, with a clean gray and white finish and a shorter binding plate for effortless turn initiation. The included TP2 Compact 10 FDT bindings make setup hassle-free and ensure reliable performance. However, like the 144 centimeter version, its price isn't listed, which might deter budget-conscious shoppers. The slightly larger size makes it a better choice for intermediate skiers looking for more range and stability, but beginners might find it slightly harder to control compared to the shorter version. All in all, this ski strikes a great balance between maneuverability and performance, especially for skiers who are confident in their abilities but aren't quite advanced yet. Pros include improved stability with the larger size, seamless binding setup, and easy turn initiation. Cons are limited suitability for beginners and price ambiguity. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Nordica Women's Wild Belle 74 skis in the 150 centimeter size. This model offers the perfect balance between stability, maneuverability, and overall performance, making it ideal for intermediate skiers who want to progress their skills. Like the other Wild Belle models, this ski features Nordica's natural stance technology, which lowers the heel by 2 millimeters for improved balance and control. The full wood core ensures a smooth and stable ride, while the narrower waist combined with the rocker-camber blend makes carving turns effortless and enjoyable. Whether you're gliding down groomed trails or tackling light powder, these skis are built to deliver a versatile skiing experience. The 150 centimeter size is the sweet spot for many intermediate skiers, offering more control than the larger 156 centimeter option, while providing greater stability than the shorter 144 centimeter version. The gray and white design is sophisticated, and the included TP2 Compact 10 FDT bindings ensure a reliable setup that minimizes hassle. While its price isn't listed, the overwhelmingly positive customer reviews suggest excellent value. It's worth noting that while this model is great for intermediate skiers, advanced skiers might find it lacking the aggressive edge they need for high-speed runs or expert terrain. In conclusion, the Nordica Wild Belle 74 in 150 centimeters stands out for its balanced performance and user-friendly design. Pros include its ideal size for intermediate skiers, smooth ride quality, and versatile handling. Cons are limited appeal for advanced skiers and the lack of price information. If you're looking for a ski that combines performance, stability, and maneuverability, this model is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.